Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the textured shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and the front post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 3. I have already made 27 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 4 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 3 chains into this next chain, make 4 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4 all together in that chain. Skip 3 chains into the next one, make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4 all in that same chain. So you're going to repeat this sequence of skip 3 and 4 double crochet into that next chain until you reach the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're only going to have 3 chains left. Skip 2 chains and into the last chain of your row, make 1 double crochet by itself. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. You're going to skip this first stitch. We're going to be working into these next 4 double crochet, the ones that we had worked all together in the previous chains. So you're going to skip the first double crochet of this 4. Into this second one, you're going to make a front post double crochet. That's going to look like that. In between this stitch we just worked and this next one, you're going to make a double crochet, a chain 1, and a double crochet between those stitches. So that's how that's going to look. So that's that front post over this double crochet. This double crochet, chain 1 double crochet is worked in between these stitches. So this was that first double crochet we skipped in this 4. This was that second one. This is that third and that 4th. Into this third stitch of the 4 right here. Into this one, you're going to be making a front post double crochet over that one. And that's how that looks. So far, front post double crochet, chain 1 double crochet between them, and then front post double crochet over this third one. Now you're going to skip this last double crochet of this 4, and you're going to start making the same sequence into the next 4. You're going to skip that first one, into the second one, make a front post double crochet. In between these stitches, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet, and then into this next stitch, front post double crochet. And that's how that's looking all together. Skip this last double crochet of these 4 and skip the first double crochet of these next ones. Into the second one, work that front post double crochet. In between these stitches, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And then into this third one, you're going to make that front post double crochet. So you can see that into these previous 4 double crochet that we originally started out with, we're still only working with 4 double crochet going forward. It's just changed from 4 regular double crochet to 2 front post and then 2 regular with a chain in between. Skip this last double crochet of these 4 that we were just working in. Skip this next double crochet of the next 4 into that second one, front post double crochet. In between these stitches, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, then front post double crochet into the next double crochet. Skip that last double crochet of these 4, skip that first one of the next cluster of 4 into that second one, front post double crochet. In between these stitches, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Into this next stitch, front post double crochet. Skip this last double crochet of these 4 we were just working into. Skip the first one of the next or last 4 in our row. Into that second one, front post double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet between these stitches, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in between the stitches, into the third double crochet of these 4, make that front post double crochet. You're going to skip this last double crochet, but you are going to have a stitch at the end of your row right here. It's going to be some chains from our first row. Work a double crochet, a regular double crochet, just 1, into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the textured shell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.